Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have partnered with Oribe to show you how I achieve this amazing wash and go. I am so excited about this product, and you'll see as I go throughout the video how amazing this product is. I am just so happy with this wash and go and how defined, shiny, and bouncy my curls are. Soft, they're just amazing. So yeah, I'm just super impressed with this line. They really outdid themselves and they got it right. They got it completely right. So I'm just gonna go right into this video to show you how I achieved this look, and I will give you more information about the products then. Okay, so I was originally going to do a twist out. I even started recording a tutorial for the twist out. But as I was doing it, I was just seeing how great my natural curl pattern was looking with this product. And honestly, my curls have been a little bit like weird lately. I don't know if it's because of all the travel I've been doing, like being in all different waters and climates. New York water is a lot different than California water. No offense, California, but I will say New York does have some of the best and cleanest water. So I don't know, I just haven't been loving my curls. And so using these products to do the twist out, I saw how great my curls looked and how defined and luscious and bouncy they looked, and I was like, you know what, I have to do a wash and go. Like, I have to. I cannot let this wash and go to waste. So anyway, I started over, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do a wash and go now, because these products are amazing. Like, I am so excited to show you. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I already washed my hair. I washed and conditioned with Oribe's shampoo and their deep moisture mask, which was amazing. But I'm gonna take one section. Okay, so usually I do my wash and goes right when I come out of the shower, but obviously for this video, I'm in front of the camera. So I just use a spray bottle to make sure that my curls are super saturated, because that affects how the wash and go comes out. Your hair has to be basically soaking wet. And honestly, even when I'm in front of the sink, I still spray more water on so that it's super saturated. I love this water bottle too. It's so cool. You just press it once and a bunch of mist comes out. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it. Okay, so now I'm going to use their priming lotion, which is a detangler. It's a leave-in and a detangler, but it has some ingredients that really help to soften your curls and has great slip, making it easy to detangle. And so every time I apply a product, I brush it with a Denman brush. This helps to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout all the curls. And it also just like defines your curls a little bit better. So already with just the leave-in, my hair is so soft. I'm so serious. Look at this. Soft and defined. And this is infused with great ingredients such as mango butter, cocoa seed butter, avocado oil, olive oil, vitamins A, D, like everything. Okay, next I'm using the styling butter. And again, this has great ingredients such as coconut fruit extract, shea butter, a bunch of other ones I know I'm missing, but these all help to seal the cuticles and provide a lot of moisture, shine, and definition. I also like to go through each curl and just kind of smooth the product through it to make sure each curl received enough product. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing for this section. Okay, so now you just repeat that same exact process throughout the whole head, section by section. Okay, so this is the last section, and it's actually a bang I created. Yes, I created it myself. My hairstylist is not gonna be happy because I shouldn't be cutting my own hair, but I think I did a good job. I'm pretty sure I did. They actually might be a little bit too long, so I might cut them again, but like, we'll see. Okay, so we'll have to see how they dry. If they're too long, I'll just cut them. But yeah, so far, so good. So I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'll diffuse at the end to give it that extra fluff. And I'll show you that process once this dries for about maybe a few hours. I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll diffuse. Well, my hair is like 90% dry, and it's looking amazing. But I like my hair big and fluffed out and everything, so I'm going to diffuse, and that's gonna give it more volume and dry it completely, and then I'm going to pick it out. Okay, so hair is blow dried, and last but not least, I am going to pick it out. Just a little bit at the roots. I don't wanna mess up the definition, this amazing definition I have. So just pick it out from the roots. And my bangs came out pretty good. I am feeling them. I am done. Just have to put on my hoops, you know, to complete the look. So just as I predicted, it came out amazing. Like, my curls are popping. So yeah, I'm in love with this entire new line of products. As you can see, I cannot express it enough. And I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to just incorporate this into my ongoing routine and make it one of my staple products in styling. So yeah, super successful wash and go. My first really good wash and go in a long time, and I'm just so happy. So thank you so much, Oribe, for sending me these products to try and partnering with me, because I am so excited about this product, and I really hope you guys are too. If you are, make sure you look at the description below. You can purchase the products there on oribe.com, and then you can also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me. And if you're not following me on social media, you can follow me there at Heygorjess across all platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.